Hey guys, this is the help screen and this is how to fix TikTok missing eye icon or profile views history icon. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the TikTok. Then from here guys, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see here guys, you will have an icon over here which is the profile views. And in order for you to see these, you have to go to the settings over here as you can see on the top right corner of the screen. And guys, make sure to toggle this option in order for you to see the profile views. And guys, if this doesn't work, you can just go ahead and go to Google Play Store and then make sure guys you have the latest version of the application, and from there you should be able to fix it. And guys, if it still doesn't work, try uninstalling and then installing the application again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to see your profile views. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.